the 2010 Volvo XC90. This four-door sport utility vehicle is waiting for you to take home. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, power windows, and air conditioning. Premium leather seats provide maximum comfort, wrapping drivers and passengers in a shroud of luxury. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.